over 60 years, Kirby Morgan has revolutionized commercial diving. From masks to helmets and everything in between. Dive into history with us as we step into the Dive Locker. (1978) SuperLite Krasberg Return Line Diving System. The SuperLite Krasberg was a highly modified SL-17 built for the Krasberg Reclaim System in 1978. Developed by Alan Krasberg during the Sea Lab 1 project in 1973, the Reclaim System was designed to recover and recycle the diver's breathing gas. Instead of allowing exhaled gas to escape into the water, the gas was returned to the surface through a separate exhaust umbilical. At the surface, it was cleaned, heated to remove carbon dioxide, oxygen was added, and the gas was compressed before being sent back to the diver. By 1975, commercial diving companies in the North Sea were seeking ways to reduce the high cost of deep diving operations amid a helium shortage, prompting Krasberg to adapt his return line system for the modern commercial diver. Initially, other diving helmets were modified to fit his return line system, but the modifications were unsuccessful. In 1978, one of Krasberg's close associates, Jim Bathgate, took a SuperLite 17A and stripped it down on his kitchen table with nothing more than a hacksaw to modify it. Only the neck ring and front section were kept, creating the first SL-17 Krasberg helmet. That helmet proved the concept, but it was still a rough prototype and far from a finished production design. Recognizing the need for a better shell to adapt their system, Al Krasberg contacted Bev Morgan of Kirby Morgan for assistance in further developing the helmet. Morgan agreed, and Tom Prothero was tasked with developing a mold after receiving a mock-up helmet and with producing all future SL-17 Krasberg shells. General Diving Systems provided the tooling mock-ups to produce a shell that would accommodate the Krasberg Reclaim System. The shell was similar to the SL-17 shells, but remolded to incorporate the dual exhaust regulators. Kirby Morgan fulfilled several orders for Al Krasberg and shipped the completed shells to General Diving Systems in Aberdeen, Scotland, where GDS finished assembling the helmet with Krasberg return line regulator systems. This concludes this episode of the Diving into the Kirby Morgan archives. Stay tuned for the next episode of The Dive Locker.